Welcome back, folks. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you: rubber flooring. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore all aspects of rubber flooring, from its fantastic features and benefits to different types available, installation tips, and even how it compares with other flooring options. So, let's dive right in. Rubber flooring is a durable and versatile flooring option known for its impressive features and benefits. It is water-resistant, slip-resistant, and offers excellent noise reduction. Rubber flooring provides underfoot comfort and cushioning, making it suitable for various applications, including high-traffic areas, gyms, offices, and playgrounds. Rubber flooring is easy to install, requires minimal maintenance, and is eco-friendly due to its use of recycled materials. Rubber flooring comes with a multitude of impressive features that make it an excellent choice for various spaces. First and foremost, rubber floors are extremely durable and resilient. They can withstand heavy foot traffic, impact, and wear, making them ideal for high-traffic areas like gyms, offices, and even playgrounds. Additionally, rubber flooring is water-resistant, making it perfect for areas prone to moisture, such as kitchens and bathrooms. It's also slip-resistant, providing a safer surface for both kids and seniors. Comfort and cushioning. Rubber floors offer excellent underfoot comfort, which is especially beneficial in places where people stand for extended periods, like commercial kitchens and retail stores. Easy maintenance. Rubber flooring is a breeze to clean. Regular sweeping and occasional mopping is usually sufficient to keep it looking brand new. Eco-friendly. Many rubber floors are made from recycled materials, making them an eco-conscious flooring option. Longevity. Due to its exceptional durability, rubber flooring can last for many years without significant wear and tear. Rubber flooring comes in various types, each catering to specific needs and preferences. Rubber tiles. These interlocking tiles are easy to install and replace, making them perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Rubber rolls. Ideal for large spaces, like gymnasiums, rubber rolls offer a seamless look and can be customized to fit any area. Rubber mats. These portable mats are great for providing cushioning and can be easily moved around as needed. Installing rubber flooring is straightforward, but there are a few essential tips to keep in mind. Clean and prepare. Ensure the subfloor is clean, dry, and level before installation. Adhesive application. Use the recommended adhesive for your specific rubber flooring type and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Allow for expansion. Leave a small gap around the edges to accommodate expansion and contraction. Now, let's compare rubber flooring with other popular options like hardwood, vinyl, and carpet. Durability. Rubber flooring outshines most other options in terms of longevity and wear resistance. Comfort. While hardwood and vinyl can be hard underfoot, rubber offers superior cushioning. Moisture resistance. Unlike carpet, rubber flooring doesn't absorb moisture, making it more suitable for wet areas. Wrapping it up, here are some top reasons why you should consider installing rubber flooring. Safety. Rubber's slip-resistant and shock-absorbing properties make it safer for everyone, especially kids and the elderly. Versatility. With various colors and designs available, rubber flooring can complement any interior style. Cost-effectiveness. Given its durability and low maintenance, rubber flooring provides excellent long-term value. And there you have it. The complete guide to rubber flooring. From its amazing features and benefits to installation and comparisons with other flooring options, rubber flooring truly stands out as a versatile and practical choice. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more informative content. And as always, feel free to leave your questions and comments below. Until next time, take care, and happy flooring!